Romanticism is an artistic, literary, and intellectual movement that originated in Europe in the late 18th century and reached its peak in the 19th century. It was a reaction against the rationalism and order of Enlightenment period and focused on individualism, emotion, imagination, and the beauty of nature. Romanticism emerged as a response to the industrialization and the urbanization of society, which brought about significant social and cultural changes. The movement celebrated the individual's emotion and subjective experience, valuing intuition and spontaneity over reason and logic. Romantic artists and writers sought to explore the depths of human emotion, often emphasizing themes such as love, passion, longing, and melancholy. In literature, romantic writers often depicted exotic settings, supernatural elements, and historical periods to evoke a sense of wonder and escape from the constraints of everyday life. Some well known romantic authors include William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, William Blake, Edgar Allan Poe, Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, and Lord Byron. In visual arts, romantic painters focused on dramatic, sublime landscape, turbulent seascape, and mystical or mythological themes. Prominent romantic artists include Caspar David Friedrich, J.M.W. Turner, John Constable, and Francisco Goya. Music also experienced a significant shift during Romantic era, with composers like Ludwig van Beethoven, Franz Schubert, Frederick Chopin, and Piotr Tchaikovsky creating emotionally intense and expressive composition. Overall, Romanticism emphasized the individual's subjective experience, the power of imagination, and the connection between nature and the human spirit. It had a profound influence on various artistic disciplines and continues to be appreciated for its emotional depth and exploration of human condition.